In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or disconnect PayPal from Stan Store. If you've connected PayPal in the past and now want to switch payment methods, tidy up your account, or simply stop using PayPal for your store, this walkthrough will guide you through the process step by step. First, start by logging into your Stan Store account using your usual login details. Once you're signed in, look toward the lower left-hand corner of your dashboard. You should see a menu there, and one of the options will be Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings to open your account configuration area. When the Settings page opens, you'll notice several tabs along the top of the screen. These tabs organize different parts of your account. Look for the tab labeled Payments. This is where all of your payment methods and payout settings are managed. Click on the Payments tab to continue. Inside the Payments section, you'll see a list of the payment methods currently connected to your Stan Store. Among these, you should find PayPal displayed as one of the options. It will usually appear as a card or a row with the PayPal logo and some basic details indicating that it's connected. On the right-hand side of the PayPal card, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button for additional options related to that specific payment method. Move your cursor over to those 3 dots and click on them. A small drop-down menu will appear with different actions you can take. From that drop-down menu, select the option that says Disconnect Account. This is the command that tells Stan Store you want to remove the PayPal connection. In some cases, your browser might briefly show a loading icon, or the page may refresh automatically after you click it. Just give it a moment to process the change. Once the page has finished reloading, look back at your list of payment methods in the Payments tab. PayPal should no longer appear in that list. If you don't see it, that confirms that your PayPal account has been successfully disconnected from your Stan Store. At this point, your store will no longer use PayPal for transactions, so make sure you have another payment method set up if you still plan to accept payments from customers. And that's all it takes to remove or disconnect PayPal from your Stan Store.